morning everybody, welcome to another vlog. It's a really lovely day today. In Australia it's actually spring now, so I'm really looking forward to the hot weather. Currently I'm just drawing on the iPad. This is the girl drawing that you might have saw if you watched my last vlog. I did the line art for her, so I'm finally getting around to colouring her in. But yeah, it's taken me quite a while to like finally do it, so I thought I'd just come in the garden. Yesterday it was really nice, it was like 24, and we went to the beach with Cookie and walked along the beach, had a burrito, walked on the jetty, and it was really nice. So anyway, that is it for me. I will finish off my drawing and then I'll probably show you what it looks like afterwards, and then I want to post that to Instagram. How windy it was going to be down here. I swear the last time I brought my sketchbook with me to the beach it was so windy. It's a really nice day though, it's like 24 degrees, and I brought my sketchbook with me. I brought a cheese sandwich and I brought some fruit, so blueberries, strawberries and pineapple in here. So I'm going to eat that now because it's like lunchtime and I'm really hungry, and then I'm probably going to do some sketching. But yeah, I just thought, isn't it nice to be sort of filming down at the beach, like you're so cute. I am back in the car now. It was just literally so windy on the beach, you couldn't hear anything I was saying in the last clip, so I'm just filming it again. It was just like not the most relaxing beach like day out, you know. But I'm gonna take Cookie for a walk down the beach in a second. I've just put all the stuff back in the car, but I also wanted just to talk about like what inspires me to draw. So the first thing is going to the beach, going out in nature, exploring new places. So the beach for me is one massive thing that inspires me. Usually it inspires me to draw like beachy girls and stuff like that. So I think getting yourself out and about in new places and experiencing nature and things, places that you enjoy, like I think it's really inspiring, especially for me anyway. Another thing that's really inspiring is looking at other people's artwork and watching other people's videos of them being creative. Like if I watch someone drawing or making an art vlog, I usually get really inspired to do creative stuff myself straight afterwards. So watching those really help, and along with like learning and watching videos on gaining new skills and like just learning to be better at drawing. There's always new things to learn, there's new subjects to learn, So I think keeping on top of building your skills and learning things, that just keeps the momentum going, keeps things exciting, and yeah, that's really good as well. Another massive thing actually is Pinterest. I'll just go onto Pinterest and usually something pops up, usually fashion girls or portraits. Another thing is actually, if you like to draw people and like portraits, then just seeing people in general out and about is really inspiring. Like if I see a girl with a really nice fashion outfit or a really nice hairstyle, I like get it in my head that I need to draw her. So just looking at different people around and what they're doing, maybe it's a girl working in a coffee shop and she's got cute hair going on, and it's like, oh, now I just want to draw a girl with coffee and this cute hairstyle. And then the last thing is just looking back at your old artwork, just looking back at a part of your journey that kind of motivates you again, makes you remember the feelings that you had at that time. And also sometimes it makes you want to redraw old drawings, because you might have new skills and a new style, and now you want to like redraw that old drawing that you did in your new style or something. Let me know in the comments what things really inspire you to draw. I'd love to know. But I'm going to take Cookie for a walk on the beach now. Definitely subscribe if you're not. Thanks so much for watching anyway, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!